All right, real quick video. We finally got our flex stuff. We got 2 turbo drills too, but I'm just gonna open this one. So I'm not big on unboxing stuff, but here we go. It's a bag, not a hard case. I think the drills actually have a hard case. What do we got here? So we have a 2.5 amp hour battery. I'll throw it out of there. It's hard to do one-handed. Oh, I'm supposed to be doing it this way. I get fussed at for not doing it in landscape. All right, impact gun with a quick release. This is the turbo drill, which we have 3 of those. Come with a couple bits. Get in the camera. Can't see it there, but they're Flex brand. Look, I got my Cobalt right there. Kenzie, open this battery up. Alright, so we got a 5 amp hour and a 2.5 amp hour. I want to put it beside of that one, which it's got a big monster 6 amp hour on it. I'm snapping on this thing. And set them on the another place that's flat. This is very non-scripted. I'm unbalanced up there. All right. So it is. I'm gonna tell it on the camera. Let me see if I'm gonna back it up even. That's pretty even with the back. The camera doesn't catch it real well. I'm gonna say probably an inch or so shorter. That's a 5 amp hour and a 6 amp hour. Let's line them up. That's a little shorter, not by much. What else we got? Belt clips, very, very similar to the Cobalt, which is not surprising considering Chevron owns Cobalt. All right. Turbo version. Got some heft to it. Don't feel wimpy. So we got 3 selections there. Hammer, screw, drill. Regular torque. As other people said, Jacob's chuck. Big fan of that. Because that's your turbo button. Everything else looks pretty standard. Can you open this? We're in mid-project here. She's building a composter, and I'm screwing it up because she wants to get it done, and I'm doing this. So very different battery design, more like a DeWalt, which we used to use before they started sucking. And Cobalt's got the little clamp design. Not sure whether I prefer one or the other. We're gonna do some of these in use tomorrow on the job site. Looks like I got my finger over camera, so definitely got a brake. Huh. That's speed 2. No turbo. Lights up. Somehow or another I stopped my video. So the turbo button lights up green when it's on. Very big difference between turbo and not. Not sure it's any faster than the regular Cobalt drills we use. High hopes for this thing. We kill Cobalt drills left and right. They can't hold up. We're trying some Milwaukees too, which we got a new one of those coming in. So we're gonna compare the Flex to the Milwaukee. Not in no fancy test or nothing, just regular everyday use, what plumbers do with tools. So far we haven't been able to find a handheld drill that holds up. We have to use the big Milwaukee Super Hogs. So we'll see how it does. All right, that's it. Don't be scared of the camera, Hunter.
But I don't know what to talk about.
All right, Hunter has been cutting this pipe off because yes, we had a toilet that was off by 2 inches, so we had to move it. All right, so he's been cutting that pipe off down in there with that inside cutter and a new flex thing. It did okay. What we're worried about though is that right there. That sucker is smoking hot.
150.
I bet she was 180 before.
100, yeah, and we quit a few minutes ago, so we were at 155, almost 156 degrees. Right there is 156, almost 157. Oh, we were at 158.
Oh, 160.
Very good.
160 degrees.
Don't put your finger right there,
And so the way this works is, for anybody that doesn't know and isn't a plumber, you put it inside the pipe and you cut that sucker off. Right there. So not a heck of a lot of work. I wonder if we can hold one and do it safely.
Yeah, sure. Right.
Yeah, let's show them what we're doing.
Oh, yeah. It's going to go great.
Hold on. Hey, hold on.
I'm going at it. What?
No. All right, we're videoing. Don't say nothing stupid.
We're going to break it.
All right. Hunter's all safetied up.
This is on 3, 2.
This is just test. We don't actually have to cut this pipe off at any certain height right here. Well, we do 2 inches. So cut it right under that angle.
There.
Yeah, somewhere right in there. All right, set her down right now. All right. $142, 148, 160.
It gets hot cutting 3 inch. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, so we're back up to 160 right there. It was one spot. That's the highest spot we can find. Flip it over. It's a little cooler down there. All right, briefly show them how you would normally hold that tool.
Right here. Okay.
Well, normally you'd get your hand down there close to that metal, but what happens if you get your hand on that metal?
That right there?
No, what happens if you get your hand on that?
They'll burn you,
it's
and
like
it blows
burn.
hot air through there, and they burn piss out of you.
Yeah, so those vents, which is right where you want to put your hand, and that metal, 160 degrees, will burn the snot out of you. We've been using the Cobalts to do this for how long?
A long time.
A long time.
It gets home back when it's hot. Like, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, 114 at the back. Man, too bad we don't have another one so we can compare it with the
You can actually feel
Cobalt.
it right there.
I mean, you can hammer one of those tubes in the ground and then cut it like that.
Everything else is fine. Just talk.
Yeah, everything else is cool. All right, we'll see how long it lasts.